This vacuum comes with many convenient features, including the retractable power cord and the easy-to-push power button. It has a powerful suction, it's lightweight, so very easy to maneuver. It has a nice long adjustable metal wand. It has an adjustable head for a variety of floor types, from different types of carpets to hardwood and tile floors and everything in between. Make sure you adjust the head to expose the brush for vacuuming carpet. It has air pressure control. Just slide to cover the holes to create more suction when vacuuming carpet especially. I have to admit, I'm a bit embarrassed to even show you how much hair is on the brush since I vacuum 5 days a week. But I have a good excuse because I run a home business and I get a lot of foot traffic through my living room from my customers. But still, can you believe it? Regardless, this vacuum does an amazing job at picking it all up. I love how it fits nicely under low-to-the-ground furniture like my couch here. The accessory brush is great for getting into those corners and tiny spaces, and the wand reaches the ceiling, as you can see here. It's bagless and easy to empty. To empty the canister, first remove the hose, then push the red button forward to release the canister. Hold it over the trash can and push the black release mechanism to empty the contents directly into the trash. Putting it back together is very easy. Just snap the canister right into place, replace the hose, and you're done. It's easy to store with its retractable cord. You have 2 ways of storing it away, either laying it flat or in an upright position. Just slide the wand right in that little slot. I love this vacuum cleaner. It may not be for everyone. Some people may prefer vacuums with bags, so in that case, this vacuum wouldn't be a good fit. If you prefer bagless, then I highly recommend this affordable, powerful, lightweight vacuum. I give it 5 stars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.